When this opportunity came about to have a presence in the Lake Street area, it really felt like the right partnership to make because, at Bremer, we're about cultivating thriving communities.
We're committed to being here. We're not here because we have to be here. We're here because we want to be here. And what we want them to know is that we're a trusted partner and we'll be here to listen and learn and walk alongside them and help them in their financial journey.
This is a community of hardworking folks who want the same thing for their children that everybody else wants. They want their families to be successful. And then here comes Bremer Bank. They opened this bank to the community and invited them in. They got conference space. They got bankers to help people grow their small businesses. We want to show you how you can save and build wealth for your family.
We're a financial institution, and we really do have the ability to help address various elements of systemic racism. And so showing up, offering our talent, offering our capabilities in an underrepresented community was really an important mandate. Frankly, we decided there was no better place to start and show action than in our own backyard here in the Twin Cities.
Bremer Bank is such a fine example of a group of people that are about a whole lot more than words. It's a group of people that care so deeply about the city and are willing to put not just $50,000 with LEDC, but their commitment and time and building, right in the center of some of the most difficult experiences that our city has ever experienced.
And there's love in here. You can see it from the pictures on the wall, so inclusive. Bremer customers, Black and brown and indigenous and LGBTQ. These people are on the wall to let you know this is your space. This is your place.